How to install PUBG Mobile on PC. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can install PUBG Mobile, which is a Android or iOS like smartphone game. You can install it on PC and run the game. So first of all, you need to open a browser tab and search for any emulator. Android emulator to your PC. So I'll just use game loop for that. You can use many other emulators like BlueStacks, Loom, Game Loop, etc. So I'll just go with Game Loop. So first of all, you need to click on this link, and as you can see, it's taken us to the official Game Loop website. You just have to click on download then, and after clicking on download, as you can see, a GLP installer, Game Loop installer will be downloaded, and you just have to click on install it, and you have to install the Game Loop on your PC. And after that, as you can see, I have already installed Game Loop on my PC, and you just have to simply log in to your account. From here, you just have to click on here and give your email and password credentials and log into your account. And after that, you have to click on the search bar from here and search for PUBG Mobile. And after searching for PUBG Mobile, as you can see, the game is here. As you can see, we just have to simply click on the PUBG Mobile, and we just have to choose any server from here, and the default server is PUBG Mobile Global. I'll keep it like that, and you can just click on install, and it will start installing. And as you can see, you can also see it on the downloadable folder. And after it's downloaded successfully, you just click on install it and follow the instructions furthermore, and that's it. That's how you can install PUBG Mobile on your PC, and after that you can also play the game in your PC. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one, guys.